Hey, Joey. Oh yeah, if you guys are wondering, this is why I haven't been riding this shit right here. And it's like 30 degrees out and it's soaking wet. And he's smoking a freaking cancer stick.
This is what is gross.
And we're getting in this death trap. And I'm going home. Wow, these fucks are going somewhere else. Man, you got a beer can in here, Joey? You're not even old enough to drink. You're gonna get in trouble. The fuck, dude? You're gonna get in trouble for this shit. But yeah, let me put my seatbelt on before you take off because he fucking ripped out of my driveway earlier when I didn't have my seatbelt on. Just fucking whipped out, dude. Alright, now you can go. What the hell is this shit? This shit's fucking fucked up, dude. You need a better car.
Joey, when with a car, you better be driving normal.
Joey, do a burnout.
Look at the other things and not like a fucking retard.
He's been driving stupid since he picked me up. Get over it. You guys can't even see out the window what shit. Your car sounds like shit, dude.
Just we thought it sounds like a Honda Civic.
Yeah, but at least put a freaking muffler on it. An exhaust, man. Shit sounds like it doesn't have shit on it. Don't kill me, Joey.
I'll hit that fucking retard.
I'm surprised that dude didn't look at the car and be like, what the hell? I didn't even really plan on uploading. This cigarette's stuck right there in the window. I didn't even plan on uploading today, and then fucking he came and picked me up for a few minutes, so I decided just to record since I can like record while while I'm in the car because it's too nasty outside to do it. Oh shit!
Then get it, you. I'm trying, fucker.
Joey, what the hell are you looking at back there? You're going this way. Fuck.
I'm not pulling in the driveway, Pack.
I don't care. Don't pull in the driveway. I gotta get out.
Get out of my car.
Alright, I'll see you guys later. Joey, need to start going to school. Like, actually start going. Like, go there and fucking talk to teachers about shit. Alright? That way you can fucking drive me to school.
Shut the door and get the fuck away from your vlog camera.
Alright, I'll see you guys later.